Imagine a world full of possibilities, where buildings come to life and visual communication speaks like never before. All because of the power of aluminium. Meet Comhan Holland, the expert in aluminium solutions. With a wide range of aluminium profiles, sheets and systems, we provide a solid foundation for your ideas to grow. Every day, we deliver aluminium directly from stock to companies in the construction, industry and visual communication sectors throughout the Netherlands and far beyond. With our team of 90 dedicated professionals, our modern machinery and strong partnerships, we can perform almost any CNC machining process. From laser cutting, bending and sawing, to milling and punching. No challenge is too big for us. For 75 years, we have been known for our reliability and customer focus. As a family business, we believe in the power of collaboration, and our committed team demonstrates this every single day. We're here for you and to contribute to your success. Discover the power of Comhan, your partner in aluminium, from stock and custom made.